Hello my dear friends, welcome to another episode of Dining Delicious. Today I will share with you a very popular chicken kebab recipe. That is chicken RESHMI Kabab. It is called RESHMI Kabab due to its soft and creamy flavor. It can be made in oven as well as in the pan. I will be sharing with you both the ways. So let's get started. First, we need to marinate the chicken in two steps. For the first marination, in a bowl, I have taken 500 to 600 grams of boneless chicken pieces. To this, we will add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add salt as per your taste. Mix these ingredients with the chicken and keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now it has been around 30 minutes. We will do the second stage of marination. For this, we will add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, cashew paste. It's approximately 20 grams of cashew nuts that I have turned into a fine paste in a mixer, 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper. You can also use pepper powder as well. Half a teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. And 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or Maida. Now mix all the ingredients very nicely with the chicken. Coat the chicken pieces very well. After this, we will cover and keep the marinated chicken in the refrigerator for at least 5 to 6 hours. Overnight marination gives the best results. Now it has been already 6 hours. We will place the chicken into the skewers. First, grease the skewers with some oil. Now place the chicken pieces into the skewers. To grill in the oven, place the chicken skewers on the grill rack. Preheat the oven for around 5 to 10 minutes. Set the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade. Grill for 10 to 15 minutes each side. Brush some butter and grill both the sides very nicely. To grill in a pan, place a pan on medium heat. I am using a normal pan. You can also use grill pan as well. Brush it with 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, place the chicken skewers into the pan and grill on medium heat. Cover the pan with a lid. Grill for around 20 minutes till they are cooked and a light brown layer forms on the top of the chicken pieces. Flip the sides in between and brush butter. So you can see our chicken reshmi kabab is perfectly ready. See, it's so easy to make. It looks really good. Enjoy it with salad, garlic sauce, mayonnaise, mint coriander chutney, whatever you prefer. Do try this out and let me know how it tastes. If you have liked my video, please give it a like, share and comment. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting recipes. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.